let's understand what is a rocket. Diwali. Let's focus on a simple Deepavali rocket. What goes into making Deepavali rocket what it is?
See, Diwali rocket is also very similar to what the old Chinese rockets were, except that the bamboo which the Chinese used to hold the pressure inside is now replaced with paper. So if you look at it, they wrap the paper around a small amount of gunpowder. A lot of people will think that too much of gunpowder that is being used and it will pollute and all that. It's hardly 3 to 5 grams in a small rocket that is used. So collectively, even if you buy for 10,000, you might not have taken up 1 kg of gunpowder in all that. So it's not a lot of gunpowder that is there in one rocket. It is hardly 3 to 5 grams. It produces a thrust of somewhere around 5 newtons.
5 newtons, okay?
A very small thrust, and because it's all made of paper, and it's a very, very simple and elegant design. Basically, it's a paper wrapped around it. You have a thread that is dipped in the same composition so that it ignites fast. So when we light that wick, it just transmits the fire to the propellant, and the propellant takes off. So if you open the all the paper cladding on that, you will find they also have a nozzle.
Ah,
Yes, and all of it is made out of cardboard only, and they have a cardboard long stick that acts as a stabilizer so that the rocket goes straight. So it's a very simple thing, which uses all the principles of rocketry, but yeah, they've developed independent of us.
what about a firecracker?
As opposed to this, a firecracker is in a rocket, you are allowing the flow to go out through a certain open. So the pressure doesn't build up. In a firecracker, what they do is they basically plug that place and make sure that the exhaust doesn't go out. So when the exhaust doesn't go out, depending on how well you package the paper wrapping around it, it will burst open. And that is the one that produces the sound that we hear a lot during these.